Ultimate frugal living. There's saving money, there's frugal living, and then there's ultimate frugal living. If you're looking for a way to reduce your expenditure and save as much money as you can, then this is for you. So let's explore what it means to take frugal living to an ultimate level and the top ways by which you can achieve that. When it comes to being financially frugal, everyone has a tipping point when they will draw a line in the sand. Someone's extreme means of saving money or another person's realistic, money-saving lifestyle. Ultimate frugal living, however, means more of being committed to saving money in any way possible. It's not about being so poor that you can't enjoy life but staying committed to your saving goals. It extends beyond occasionally clipping a coupon or foregoing eating out for a month. Before you commit to ultimate frugal living, it's good to get a sense of if it's for you. It's a lifestyle, so it's not for someone looking to cut some money to survive until their next payday. So if you have a financial goal you're working towards, or you're just simply someone who wants to live a more environmentally friendly lifestyle, then you need long-term structure on being frugal, not just the occasional saving dabble. With that being said, here are some examples of ultimate frugal living tips to help you save more money. 10. Throw away your smartphone. Smartphones may appear to be a necessity these days, but living without one can show you how comfortable and invigorated giving them up feels. You can cut your cell phone bill by hundreds of dollars per month if you replace your smartphone with a flip phone that only makes calls and texts or stick with your landline. You will find yourself saving not just a lot of money, but the time you would otherwise waste on meaningless phone engagements. 9. Become your own chef. Cutting back on eating out is at the top of the most popular frugal living hacks lists. If you want to take this to the ultimate, don't just cut back on eating out and delivery. Eliminate it totally from your life. Cooking all of your own food may require a significant change in your lifestyle, but it will be well worth it in the long term. 8. Cut your own hair. If you're on a mission for ultimate frugality, go all out and cut your own hair. Salons are costly, and even inexpensive haircuts may add up because hair bills are recurrent. You can become your own barber with a good pair of scissors and some YouTube instructions. You'll learn a new skill while saving money and can even save your family money as well if they trust you enough with their hair. 7. Embrace cash. Using cash to make purchases rather than a credit card could lower your spending. Make a budget and withdraw the amount you intend to spend each week, and once that amount is gone, it's gone. Additionally, you can take this a step further by only carrying large, challenging to crack bills, such as $50 or $100, to minimize impulse purchases. 6. Do not waste any food. In the United States, nearly 130 billion pounds of food are wasted each year. This astonishing figure is detrimental to both the environment and our bank accounts. Before you go to the grocery store, use everything in your fridge and pantry. Store your food properly, and you could even date them to prevent you from forgetting over time. We have reached half the video and would take a moment to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you find it helpful. 5. Become an expert on coupons. You've certainly seen television shows about extreme couponers, and you could be one of them. It only takes a little time and practice to learn how to coupon. This method can save you hundreds of dollars on groceries, so it's well worth the effort it takes to learn about it. 4. Unplug everything. Unplugging anything that is not in use is another extreme energy-saving action you may take. Although devices that are plugged in but turned off require a small amount of energy, every little bit helps. Microwaves, toaster ovens, televisions, laptops, printers, gaming consoles, stereos, electric toothbrushes, nightlights, power strips, chargers, clocks, and even lighting. Disconnect everything. 3. Buy second-hand. If you still opt for buying new items every time a need comes up, then you haven't even begun your frugal living lifestyle yet. You can get nearly new things for a fraction of the amount you would pay in a store. Needs like clothing and furniture should be top of your thrift list, and if you hunt hard enough, you can even locate designer duds. 2. Bargain. One of the most obvious extreme frugality advice is to review and negotiate utility bills. Examine your bills at least once a year for unexpected costs, unexplained fees, and increases, and then speak with your provider about ways to reduce your monthly bill. You should always scrutinize your bills, even if it's an online invoicing or auto-pay. This is because vendors may be increasing their costs or overcharging you for services you don't even use. 1. Freeze your credit cards. Freezing your credit card can prevent you from making impulsive purchases. This will help you control your spending and drive you to think twice about any purchases you make, saving you money in the process. Do you think you can give the ultimate frugal living lifestyle a try? What changes are you willing to make? Comment below.